Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Office 365 tenant data to Microsoft 365 detailed guide step by step clearly. Before starting the transfer process, ensure you have the necessary permissions in both your Office 365 and Microsoft 365 tenants. Begin by assessing the current data structure within your Office 365 tenant. Make a list of all the services and data types that need to be migrated. This includes emails, calendars, files in OneDrive, SharePoint sites, and Microsoft Teams data. Next, determine the size of the data you will transfer. Understanding the volume will help you prepare for capacity and potential downtime. If you haven't already, prepare your destination Microsoft 365 tenant. This means setting up the new tenant and configuring the necessary services. Verify that all necessary licenses are available in your Microsoft 365 tenant. Once your tenants are ready, use the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to start managing users. Create user accounts in the Microsoft 365 tenant that correspond to those in your Office 365 tenant. You can automate this process using PowerShell if you have a large number of users. Next, decide on a migration strategy. You can choose between manual migration or using third-party migration tools. For email and calendars, consider using the built-in Microsoft tools. This includes Exchange Online migration features for migrating mailboxes. For OneDrive and SharePoint, use the SharePoint migration tool to transfer files. Log into the SharePoint migration tool and connect it to your Office 365 tenant. Select the SharePoint sites or OneDrive accounts you wish to migrate. Carefully configure the settings to match your new Microsoft 365 environment. If you're migrating Microsoft Teams, use the Teams migration tool to ensure data integrity. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect and select the teams for migration. During the migration, monitor the process for any errors or issues. Ensure that users are informed about the migration schedule and expected downtime. Once all data types are migrated, conduct a thorough verification process. Check that all emails, files, and other data are accessible in the Microsoft 365 tenant. Review the configuration settings to ensure they align with your organization's needs. If any discrepancies are found, address them before fully switching to the new tenant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.